Hi students, in this video, let us learn about adiabatic process and derive work done formula for adiabatic process. Adiabatic process is the process in which heat doesn't flow out of the system or into the system. There is no exchange of heat from the system and surrounding if gas is taken in a cylinder. So that cylinder should be a bad conductor of heat. If that cylinder is a bad conductor of heat, it doesn't allow the heat to go out of the cylinder or into the cylinder. Now, if volume of that gas inside, if it changes, then that process is called adiabatic process. Right? So, the main condition, the first condition for a process to be adiabatic process, the heat given to the system or taken out of the system is 0. dq equal to 0. Heat given to the system is 0. Pressure, volume, temperature, all three quantities might change. No one is constant here. But heat energy given to the system 0 or taken out of the system 0. So this is first condition. Next, from this we can write first law of thermodynamics. From first law of thermodynamics, dq, first law of thermodynamics, we can write dq equal to du plus dw. So dq0 in adiabatic process. As dq0, this can be written 0 equal to du plus dw. Then du equal to minus dw. So from this you can understand what first law of thermodynamics is also. First law of thermodynamics states that whenever heat energy is given to system, it is utilized in two ways. A part of taken heat energy is used to increase its internal energy, remaining part is used to do external work. But in adiabatic process, no heat is given. No heat is given. Then how can a gas do work? It can do, still it can do work by using its internal energy. So how much work the gas do, then that much its internal energy will decrease. So change in internal energy is a negative of work done. Means how much work is done, that much internal energy decreases. That is negative sign. Negative sign here indicates internal energy decreases if work done is positive. If gas is doing work done by gas is positive, then du negative. Negative indicates its internal energy will decrease. Right? Example also you can understand. So it is, before that, let us write relation between pressure and volume. Pressure and volume in adiabatic. So here pressure is not constant, volume not constant, temperature also not constant. So we cannot use Boyle's law or Charles' law, any relation here. Then there is another derivation, right? By using that derivation, here I am writing direct relation. PV power gamma equal to constant. This is the relation between pressure and volume in adiabatic process. There is separate derivation for this. Right? Here I am writing directly. PV power gamma equal to constant is the relation between pressure and volume, where gamma is ratio of specific heat capacities, Cp by Cv. Here gamma is Cp by Cv. Right? Next, let us derive the relation between pressure and temperature, volume and temperature. That are very simple derivation. Right? So if you want PT relation, PT. So here P is there. We need to eliminate V. So you have to use ideal gas equation and eliminate V. We get PT relation. You want volume and temperature relation, Vt. So V is there, we want T. So eliminate P by using ideal gas equation, PV equal to mu RT. So if P is replaced with T, then we get TV relation, right? So I will write PV equal to mu RT is the relation. From this, in the place of P, what can you write? Mu RT divided by V. So in the place of P, mu RT divided by V. This is in the place of P into V power gamma equal to constant. Then what will you get? T, here V power 1 is there, it will come up, it become gamma minus 1. So equal to mu R is also constant. So mu R will come to right side. So everything become constant. This is the relation between temperature and volume in adiabatic relation. Right? Next, let us eliminate V. In the place of V, we can write mu RT by P. So P as it is P. P as it is, in the place of V, we need to write mu RT divided by P. This is written in the place of V. Our gamma will be there here also. Whole power gamma. Equal to constant. Then you will get here P power gamma is there, it will come up, then it becomes P power, here 1 will be there, this gamma will come up, it become minus gamma, into T power gamma will be there, remaining mu R whole power gamma will come to right side, mu and R are also constants, so everything become constant on the right hand side. So P power 1 minus gamma, T power gamma equal to constant is the relation between pressure and temperature in adiabatic relation. Right? This is the relation between pressure, volume and temperatures. Next, specific heat capacity. S equal to specific heat capacity 1 by m into dq by dt. This is the general formula for specific heat capacity of any substance. So here dq0 in adiabatic process. So if dq0, S will be 0. Specific heat capacity is 0 in adiabatic process. Next one, we need to find slope. So slope of PV graph. So slope of PV graph or any graph, slope formula dy by dx. So slope general formula dy by dx. Here on y-axis we take pressure, on x-axis we take volume, then dP by dV is the general formula for slope of PV graph, which we need to derive now. So we take the relation between pressure and volume, PV power gamma equal to constant. PV power gamma is constant, is the relation between pressure and volume in adiabatic process. So now let us differentiate it. Pressure and volume, two variables. So we need to follow UV method. So first we keep P as it is. Differentiation of V power gamma. Differentiation of V power gamma can be written gamma into V power gamma minus 1 into dV. Plus, now this time we write V power gamma as it is and differentiation of P dP equal to right hand side, differentiation of constant is 0. Right? So now this term will go to right side. So here V power gamma, here V power gamma cancel, right hand side, left side dP will be there, right hand side this term will go right side. Otherwise let us write this V power gamma also as it is, right? This term will go right side, become negative, minus gamma into P into V power gamma minus 1 into dV. So we want slope. Slope is nothing but dP by dV. So dP, this dV will come here, dP by dV equal to minus gamma into P into this V power gamma cancel, V power minus 1 will be there, that can be written in denominator. So minus gamma times P by V is the dP by dV, which is the slope of PV graph in adiabatic process. Right? So we can draw the graph also for PV graph. So what shape will come? Here pressure is taken on y-axis, volume is taken on x-axis. So PV power gamma is constant means the product of P and V power gamma constant. If one increases, other should decrease. So this will be decreasing like this. But slopes will be different. If you see the graph of PV in isothermal and adiabatic looks similar, but slopes will be different. Means when you draw both the graphs together, you can understand the difference. Next, let us find bulk modulus. So bulk modulus general formula B equal to bulk modulus B equal to minus dP divided by dV by V. So here already we found dP by dV. So if this V also comes to left side, minus dP by dV by V can be written minus already there. So gamma times pressure. So bulk modulus in adiabatic process is equal to gamma times pressure. So work done general formula integral PdV. So now P and V, pressure and volume, both are variables in adiabatic process. So inside the integration, two variables are there. So we cannot find that integration directly. So we need to convert two variables into single variable. So let us take the relation between pressure and volume. So relation between pressure and volume, PV power gamma is constant. PV power gamma is constant. That constant, let us take it as K. Then if PV power gamma is constant, K, in the place of P, we can write K divided by V power gamma. So now work done W equal to integral, in the place of P, let us write K divided by V power gamma into dV. Here K is constant, can be written outside of integration. So K into integration of V power minus gamma, if it comes up, into dV. So K into integration of V power minus gamma dV, integration formula if we apply, then we will get V power minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1. This is the formula for integration of V power minus gamma dV. So whenever we are doing integration, so here we need to substitute limits for volume. So here volume changes. Let us take initial volume as V1, final volume as V2. So now W equal to K divided by minus gamma plus 1, I will write it as 1 minus gamma, into, in the place of V, first upper limit V2 power minus gamma plus 1, minus, in the place of V, we should write lower limit V1 power minus gamma plus 1. So now let us send K inside the bracket, then work done can be written W equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into, this K will go inside, K into V2 power minus gamma plus 1 minus K into V1 power minus gamma plus 1. So work done equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into, what is K here? K is constant. PV power gamma is constant. Means pressure and volume both might change, but the product of pressure and volume power gamma is constant. Means if pressure P is P1, volume is V1. So P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma. The constant PV power gamma is constant. So this is K. Means in the place of K, we can write P2 V2 power gamma or P1 V1 power gamma. So in the place of this K, as V2 is here, in the place of K, we write P2 V2 power gamma. Here already there is V2 power minus gamma plus 1. Minus, in the place of K, we write P1 V1 power gamma, because there is V1 here. In the place of this K, P1 V1 power gamma is written in the place of K. Already there is V1 power minus gamma plus 1. So now this can be simplified finally. P2 V2 power gamma, V2 power minus gamma cancel. So V2 power 1 will be there. Minus here P1 V1 power gamma, V power minus gamma cancel. So V1 power 1 will be there. So we can remember this as a work done formula in adiabatic process. 1 upon 1 minus gamma into P2 V2 minus P1 V1, or we can further modify this. So 1 upon 1 minus gamma into, from ideal gas equation PV equal to mu RT, P2 V2 can be written mu R T2 minus P1 V1 can be written mu R T1. So W equal to mu R can be taken common. So mu R divided by 1 minus gamma into inside T2 minus T1. So you can remember this as a formula for work done in adiabatic process.